Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Toyota Supra. First, grab your pencil and paper. Begin by lightly sketching the basic outline of the car using simple shapes like rectangles and ovals. Think about the car's overall length and width, ensuring you capture its low, wide stance. Don't press too hard, as these are just your foundational guides. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions before adding any details. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into recognizable Supra features. Carefully outline the car's signature headlights and taillights, paying attention to their unique angles. Next, define the grille and any prominent air intakes on the front and sides. Don't forget to sketch the window lines and the roof line, ensuring they flow smoothly. Finally, add the wheels, starting with circles for the tires and then detailing the spokes. With the main details in place, it's time to add depth through shading. Use your pencil to create darker tones in areas that would naturally be in shadow, such as underneath the car, inside the wheel wells, and beneath the spoiler. Gradually build up your shading to create smooth transitions. Remember to leave some areas lighter to represent highlights, giving the Supra a realistic, reflective appearance and making it pop off the page. For the final touches, gently erase any remaining guidelines to give your drawing a clean, polished look. Now, add those smaller, intricate details that bring the Supra to life, such as door lines, subtle body creases, and any emblems. Take your time to ensure these elements are precise. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for the link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals. A well-detailed drawing truly captures the essence of this legendary car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.